Dan, you said you're new to the industry, new to these shows. How does it compare to other events you've done in other industries?
So I've attended events similar to this, not quite on this scale. These events are always great in terms of, you know, the ability to network and, as I said, putting faces to the names that you're familiar with and meeting new people. So from my side, being new to the industry, it's actually been a really great experience.
The last time I spoke to TGS 4C Offshore was at the Offshore Energy event in Amsterdam in November. Can you just give us a little update as to any new products or solutions since then?
At the moment, we're listening to our people. We're getting a lot of feedback, and I think we're really honing in on both our academic insights and our GIS spatial data side of the company. So I know with GIS, we are really focusing on our interactive map. We're adding new features. That's really been a focus for us in our company recently. Same with the academic insights. Dan's a bit more of an expert on that. I'll let you go with that one.
Yeah, so I'm Dan Rice.
Yep.
I am a WindEurope virgin.
Okay.
My first one, so it's been great actually. Catching up with people that, you know, I know the name, not sure on the face, so that's been pretty good. In terms of the academic insights, so I'm relatively new to the company and the industry as a whole. And it's been great because it's given me sort of a focus on understanding the industry and getting to grips with things. So the idea being that we offer our premium platform that we offer to industry to academics and to universities. So it's a bit of a challenge trying to get hold of those course directors and to present what we offer. But when they see what we offer, they see the value.
What's the thought process behind going to academics?
Whilst they're, you know, going through the academic side of things and they are used to using our tool, they understand our tool and see the value of it. When they eventually move through to industry, hopefully they can take our product with them and introduce it to their companies so that those companies understand what we do and are able to implement it within their business.
And just in terms of, you know, a topic that keeps getting brought up is AI. How do you see that side of things?
Yes, we are implementing it. I think it'd be crazy not to take advantage of the positives that it offers. So yeah, we are definitely implementing it in various ways. Anything you'd like to add to that?
I think that also coincides with the GIS side that we're trying to do. So we're sort of adding the AI in all terms, but also in the GIS. So again, going back to the interactive map, we have AI tools which allows you to search something very specific, very particular, and it's going to take you directly to exactly where you want to go, what you want to hear, the figures, the statistics behind it, everything like that. So and we're looking to implement it in a lot more tools. Obviously, it's a, well, I wouldn't say new thing, but new sort of to the industry, how we can implement it, that kind of thing.
The use of AI.
Exactly, yes. So looking to introduce it to more tools. So we have a lot of the visual tools, a lot of the databases, things like that. So the raw data, looking to implement it in every way that it can be, that people want it to be. So, I mean, we can add AI into so many different things, but not very many people are going to want it in every single way that we can offer.
Utilising the best bits.
Exactly. Again, listening to what the people want.
And in terms of the industry, so are you seeing for the next 12, 24 months, both as a company and the industry itself, are you seeing it as a positive?
On a personal level, positive. On a company level, positive. We get a lot of people ask about it. So, and when we implement new tools, we get a lot of people say, oh, I've noticed this, can I have training on it? Can you explain it to me? That kind of thing. So it's generating a lot of interest.
So our one of our recent sort of developments is our ports tool, our ports feature, which was heavily designed and created using AI. Obviously with a human input.
Of course.
But it's been developed. It's currently now coming. I think we're just coming into phase 2. So we're currently only available for the UK. Going to be rolled out across the whole of Europe, and then eventually it will be global. Obviously, there's a lot to put into it, so it's taken a little bit of time, but that's just one example of where we have used it and it's benefited us, it's benefiting our customers.
All right, well, thanks very much for taking the time to speak to me.